9-volt battery. I haven't got it wired. I'm just kind of letting you see. If you get one piece of track, you can use a 9-volt battery to touch across your rails and determine whether or not you're getting power to it or not. And that is lighting up, so my little battery is telling me he's getting power. With this one, oh my gosh, he runs on the track, if you want to call it that. I think he might kind of sluggish walk. I don't even want to call it walking. I really don't have any idea what it is. But there it is. Oh, wait. Push slightly off. He's got two problems. We're going to rip his little parts out and see if we can do something to them. Maybe we can tear up another one. No, really. He's going to lay on his back for me to release his weights here, which I don't have to take off, just so anybody wonders. Take that up, and that is the weight out of it. It's a little bracket that it lives in. This one's got one too, but I'm not sure about taking it off. But at first, we just want to see how bad this. How bad is this? Doesn't seem too bad. Don't want to scratch your little wheels up. Use a fiberglass pin. Obviously, you have to buy one because you're not taking mine. And just clean around it. Clean around the wheel. Hello, this guy. And yes, normally I would just take it out of there, but this is kind of a quick tour thing. We're going to take its bottom off. This particular model, it only has one screw in the bottom. Previous model I did, it had 3 screws in the bottom. So, just a little difference. So, let's see what we got here. We got all our wheels falling off. And testing. Let's see, that would be negative. Maybe I got something that's still not falling very fast. I really don't want to pull the motor out of this one. But I may have to. I turn it around one complete time around with my finger, just the big gear, to see if it catches anywhere where it might be encountering a little broken tooth, but that one seems to be doing quite well. See, cleaning, I'll go ahead and clean again, and you won't see it because whenever I go back in there and pick this little video up, I'll probably make cleaning go really fast. Okay. I decided to pull this gear just to check it, and it looked like a tiny bunny rabbit was living in there or something. Some kind of critter. And I'm going to wipe it off and put some oil on it because it seems to be quite dry right at the moment. Oh no, I broke one of my wires off. I guess I will be messing with them. Don't think oh, my soldering thing will wind up that fast or not. What are we soldering to? We are soldering to the positive wire. Talking to myself in case you can hear me and will think I'm going crazy. No. I was telling myself how to fix it. Sometimes I know better than myself. see if you can crawl first. Then I'll give you your head. Sit up. Just get 2 wrap frames. And then 3 of this one's okay, so that didn't go so well either. I actually knocked one of the wires off. I got that all soldered back. Everything was fine. At least it looked fine, but it would never go. But I can make it go with a battery by touching the contact. So it works. It's just not reaching contact from the wheels for some reason. So I'll have to think about that, figure it out, and I'll post it up as soon as I do figure it out, and we'll get that one fixed. Right now, my head says I'm gonna have to take a break. So we'll see y'all next time. Thanks for stopping by. If you would, just hit the like button, subscribe, hang out, do something. I'll be right.